Hi guys, welcome to Lisa Marvin Art. We are going outside of my comfort zone again today with, although it's really outside my comfort zone. Like I used to really do crazy colors when I first started, and it's hard because I'm attracted to like really mute colors. Okay, come on. But I'm also attracted to crazy colors. Let's start. Sherwin-Williams Calypso. Okay, that's my pillow. Colors. TLP Deja Vu and Hustle. Okay. Magenta. Here, I'll show you this. I can't find it. Primary magenta. Okay, so we have pinks. Then I'm doing a little bit of purple. Now this purple is from my purple video. You can see it's quite a cool tone. I think I did permanent blue violet and I added some blue to it to cool it down, or some, I don't know what I did. It's a cool purple. And then this yellow, I think, is bismuth yellow. Now, yellows and blue make green, so there might be some green. Okay, that's what we're doing. And guess what? I have a 12-inch square and this little swiper. I'm gonna like go blue, blue, blue and do multiple little swipes. I find them hard to do to make look nice and to get a good composition. That's why I don't do them, but we're doing them today. All right, well, let's do it. All right, got my 12-incher here, got my Calypso. And really, I'm actually gonna like pack it in the middle because we're gonna do a lot of like stretching to get that composition. Okay, hopefully, I don't know, we'll see. All right, Calypso. So because I'm doing multiple, oh yeah, that's quite a bit, multiple swipes, and I have no plan whatsoever because it's so funny. When I watched myself do that purple video a couple of videos ago where I made a really cool, crazy swipe, I literally said, I'm so crazy like 30 times, even though, I mean, I'm not that crazy, but for me, it was crazy. Okay, I'm gonna try to avoid putting the yellow on the blue. Okay, we'll see. And I don't care if I swipe over pillow paint. Do you see what I mean? Am I just doing lines? Like, I don't know. All right. I don't know. I do want to leave, oh, those colors together look great. I do want to leave some negative space. Maybe at the top, I don't know. Okay. Okay. These two colors together, fire. 80s. Okay. Like perfection. This is going to make orange, which is fine. I'm going to try to keep it on, I mean, it's hard, on the pillow. Maybe it's fine if I get some green. Look at this color situation. Okay. Hold on, Buble, oopsie. Okay. Right, look at me. I'm like an insane person. See, I'm doing it again. I think it's so funny because I'm artistic, right? But my brain is it's very hard for me to do abstract art. And I've always wanted to do abstract art because, you know, if you know, I do portraits and I'm pretty good at it. This color is kind of a meh, but whatever. It's fine to have a 2B. Anyway, P.S. Sorry. What I'm actually going to do is I'm going to load the cell activator and this color on here to avoid, well, it doesn't really matter, but we're going to do it anyways. Okay, so my white cell activator. All right, and I'm just going to like drizzle a bit of that purple. I don't know. And at this point, honestly, I'm just having fun. I don't care. All right, so I'm going to go right. One swipe. Oh, I do want to do more straight swipes. I'm not loving that yellow, but whatever. Okay. All right. Now I'm going to go without the purple because that might have been too dark. And I'm going to try to do more straight. I don't know. The practice really is going to be getting a good composition. I'm actually going to go over the pillow paint here to see what happens. Creating composition out of nothing. Oh, I said I was going to go straight. is challenging, isn't it? I'm kind of regretting that yellow as I'm looking at it. But that's okay. Kind of cool. Maybe. I'm not convinced. You know what I mean? Now I'm going straight. I'm not doing swirls. Okay. Better. All right. I know. You don't know what's happening. I don't either. All right, I'm gonna continue just making shapes over shapes. All right? Shapes over shapes. And I can like re-swipe over things if I want. I actually don't mind the purple here. It could be kind of cool. I'm gonna put a bit more purple. Okay, a bit more purple. We're going shapes over shapes. Shapes over shapes. All right, so again, what is happening? I don't know. I didn't really like that swipe, but again, that's okay. I can't judge yet. Let me get my skewer because I see some booblies. All right, like what am I looking at? Something ugly? Possibly. This could be quite ugly. Could it be ugly? It could. You know what I mean? Oh, there's some like cool areas. I regret the yellow. I definitely regret the yellow currently. Now I have options. If I wanted to, I could just bloom, but then that would be insane if I did that. What am I doing with this? This is not going, even though I didn't have a plan. I was going to say it's not going according to plan. I'm not sure what I was expecting. Okay. Well, let us, I don't know what I'm gonna do. Because like nothing's looking interesting to me. I have to edit this out to make it interesting. Okay. No. I'm going to do a bloom vine now. Okay. That's the background. And the bloom vine is going to be 3 colors. Okay. Ready? Okay. Yep. This. So I got Hustle Boogie, is it? Whatever I said. And then the purple. And you're going to be like, whoa, so psychedelic, right? All right, let's bloom it out. So I'm going to do like maybe half and half and below, okay? I'll start down here. Oh, I'm getting stuck. Okay. Oh yeah, super psychedelic. And then I'm gonna go like that. All right, now you're saying to yourself, what is happening? And I'm saying, je ne sais pas, okay? But it doesn't matter because we're just playing, okay? And I'm obviously gonna have to zhuzh it up. You know what I mean? And make it, but I don't want to zhuzh it up yet because then it'll get so wonky. Although, it doesn't really matter at this point. Okay. Yeah, it's just that yellow that's throwing me off, but should I just spin it and then like see what happens? This like hurts my eyes, right? No, this isn't gonna work, but we're gonna spin it. Or I'm gonna do what I say not to do. Is I'm gonna schmooze it before I spin it. And it's gonna get really wonky, but maybe we don't care. Okay. All right, so I did that. And now I'm gonna go like this. Okay, we're going fully psycho. Delic. All right, whatever. Let's see what I did. And then I'm gonna figure something pretty. But I just want to, it's kind of like a loosening up exercise and being okay with ugly things, but putting yourself kind of outside of your comfort zone a little bit to get your creative juices going. You know what I mean? And I think it's very hard for me, maybe it's hard for you too, to do something just for the doing of it and not expecting anything. That's not bad. Not expecting anything pretty after. Hold on, I think there's a, oh, I thought a thing. You know what I mean? So what I've learned is I actually do like this color palette minus the yellow. Because it is kind of turning greenish, which we knew would happen. This isn't horrible though, is it? I mean, if you're into this sort of thing. Let's see. Okay, I have a bit more to do. Definitely not something I normally do, but still pretty cool. So there, right? I mean, I don't know. Let's see. Right? So what have we learned? We've learned that sometimes you just got to get out of your comfort zone, play for the sake of playing rather than creating something pretty, okay? And don't judge your piece until you've fully spun it out, right? I know it's crazy, but you know why I'm happy? Because it's not as horrible. Like I thought it'd be a total disaster, but I'm liking the composition of it. The colors are definitely cool, and it's a different vibe. Okay, well, let's leave it with this. I'm gonna do more. Maybe next time I'll do more without the yellow and see what else we can do. But I actually think this is groovy. Okay, I'm gonna do a close-up. What do you guys think? Is this crazy? Am I crazy? Okay, bye.